morning, guys. I just recorded like 30 minutes or something with no audio, so let's just rewind a bit and I'll just talk over. So I woke up this morning feeling kind of saucy, so I decided to make some breakfast sandwiches from that movie Spanglish. Binging with Babish has an edition of that, so I decided to follow his instructions. I didn't have all the ingredients, but it was good enough. My girlfriend had a very positive reaction to that, so that's good. And now that leads us back to where we are now. We're getting ready to go to Universal. And although I'm not taking my camera with me, I will take a GoPro, but I'm gonna do like a really quick one-on-one with Bruce so he doesn't lose any of the training that we've been working on. And then we're gonna head out. And I'm gonna let you guys watch a little bit, see how I train Bruce. I'm not a professional, but I have been working with him one-on-one every single morning, so we'll see. I usually have my leash going on, so he knows that it's training time. See how excited he gets? Bruce, come. Yes, good job. Now I've been teaching him down. We'll see if he does it. If not, we'll have to kind of coach him to get down there. Bruce, down. He's thinking about it. Down. Bruce, down. Yes, good boy. See, he thought. He wasn't sure, but he finally did it. Good boy. I'll give him multiple treats because he did it right. Bruce, down. Down. Yes. Good job. He gets a little bit frustrated, so he starts pouncing on me. Sit. Come. Down. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good good boy. You're a good boy. And I just take this off, let him know training is over. There's no more treats in here. And that's it. We're done. Now we're going to Universal Studios. We made it. Dropped off the doggies with my parents because I can't take dogs there. We're going to be gone the whole day. But now we're at the parking lot. We're parked at the ET parking slot. And we're about to have some fun, hopefully. The plan is to be here all day, so. And go to Buca de Beppo. Buca, I don't know how you say it, something like that.
Buca de Beppo.
There you go.
Universal! Did we come here last year at all?
We did come
Last year.
once, I think. No.
I don't think so.
No, it was just me when I dropped you off to New Zealand.
Oh yeah. So 2018 was the year that we went a lot.
Yeah, we are in, and first order of business is going to the Jurassic Park World ride because it's brand new and we haven't been to it yet. Actually, we haven't been here. We haven't been here since last year, so we're really excited about that one.
I'm not excited about being dropped, but it'll build up to it. So. I'll hype myself up.
You excited?
Yes. Very excited.
It says only 30-minute line wait, so we'll see. Alright guys, and once everyone is seated.
There's a possibility we still.
Yeah.
Vast ocean was home to an explosion of life.
Oh my god! Damn it. pretty.
I don't need to get on that again.
That was pretty bad. Now we're going to see the Mummy. Mummy Returns. No, is that what it's called? Mummy Returns? The Mummy one.
All belong to me!
Jurassic Cafe. About to order some dinosaur a la carte and see how good it tastes. Alright, time for our feast.
Just enormous.
It looks so delicious.
This is what dinosaurs eat.
Yeah.
Look at the view.
We're about to go into a animal actor show. But I've been training my dog recently, so it'd be interesting to see what these animals do that maybe I can teach my dog. Like rollover is a good one, but something better.
Get a beer from the fridge.
Get a beer from the fridge. That's a good one. To have my own studio, I would totally love all of that that's over there.
All set up.
Yep, those lights that are right there. I would like all of those cables. Ooh, that director's chair for sure. Hair and makeup. I feel like I already have my makeup right here.
Barking scenes with Sandra Bullock in the bathroom. Okay, so once we mastered the basic behaviors, we can move on to something a little bit more difficult, and that is called the workaway. Hey, hello. Hi, juice. Juice.
You can't come to Harry Potter World and not get a beer.
We must.
A butter beer. Not just a beer.
Beer of the buttery
Yeah.
variety.
Here you go, folks.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah. This beer is delicious. Did I get?
Yes.
That's what you call a super date. All right, folks, learn. Learn for your wives or girlfriends or significant others or your sanchas.
From their complaining and whining and
Take them out on a date. A super date.
call it a super Saturday date.
Yeah. No kids. Leave the kids at home. Oh, nice.
Mi alma se deshogó solo con esa mirada. El fuego se conectó. Sabes que adoro, yeah, que no solo es un amor, es como un cuento de hadas que Disney nos regaló cuando nos acarició.
What was your favorite ride?
My favorite ride was definitely the Jurassic World one. And even though I've been in it, they remade it, and I did not expect what I expected.
Yeah.
I knew the drop was there. I don't know, I forgot about it.
Oh man, I'm remembering that.
And I don't remember getting wet on the old one.
No, they definitely added more water.
Yeah.
For sure.
You shouldn't have to do that.
Watched the movie. It was a badass movie. I'm surprised at how much I liked it. It was so good. But now, calling it a night, going home, picking up the dogs, and going straight to sleep.